Assalamualaikum students of class 2. Today we will study unit 2 lesson 4. Dear students, look at this picture carefully. This picture is about Fiza, a young girl, and her lovely family. You can see there is a man, a boy, two girls, a woman. And here is Fiza, her sister Sarah, her brother Ali, her father, her mother. Fiza's brother Ali, Fiza's father, Fiza's sister Sarah, Fiza's mother. Assalamualaikum student of class 2. How are you? Today we will study unit 2 lesson 4. So look at the picture carefully and tell me, what do you see in this picture? Can you see a man, a boy, a girl, another girl, a woman? So look at this all picture. This picture is also given with numbers. This picture has lots of things like trees, door, a house, flowers, a ball, and in this picture people are doing different things: reading, drinking, playing. So this picture is about Fiza, a young girl, and her lovely family. And he is Fiza's father, Fiza's mother, Fiza's sister Sarah, and Fiza's brother Ali. And she is a young girl, Fiza. How lovely they are. Now tell me, student, what are they? Like I tell you before, this is a man. You can see here is written these words like, this is a man. Where is man? Here is man, M-A-N, man. And what is this? This is a boy. Who is this? He is Ali. Ali is a boy. And he is Fiza's father. Fiza's father is a man. Fiza's mother is a woman. And she is Sarah. Sarah is a girl. And she is Fiza. Fiza is a girl. Here is we given example. Fiza is a girl. Like this sentence, you have to write this. You have to write this in this column. Like you have to give an example. Is a woman. Who is a woman? Fiza's mother. Fiza's mother is a woman. Look children, how I have written Fiza's mother. Like this you have to write in front of these words. Ali is a boy, Sarah is a girl. You have to write rest of the sentence yourself. Now come to this exercise B. This exercise we have to write what these people are doing. We have to understand what these people are doing. Now focus on the picture and tell me what these people are doing. Can you tell me that? Okay, let me tell you. She is Sarah. Sarah is cutting a cake. She is Fiza's mother. Fiza's mother is reading a book. He is Fiza's father. Fiza's father is drinking tea. And she is Fiza. Fiza is flying a kite. And he is Ali. Ali is kicking a ball. Now children, read this sentence and match this with these people, right people. What everyone is doing. See, I have matched it like this. Fiza is flying kite. Now you have to do yourself rest of the sentence. I will guide you that Fiza is flying a kite. You have to write what everyone is doing. Ali is what Ali is doing. Ali is kicking a ball. Okay? Fiza's mother is reading a book. Fiza's father is drinking tea. Okay? Now I have tell you so many sentences. Now do it yourself with the help of your parents. Now come to the exercise C. In this exercise we will know about what everyone is wearing. What are the colors? Now let's see what Fiza is wearing. Fiza is wearing a dress. Now see what Ali is wearing. Ali is wearing a cap, shirt and shorts. Sarah is wearing a dress. Fiza's father wearing trousers. Practice this exercise at your home and tell each other what you are wearing, what your brothers and sisters are wearing. Dear students, look at this picture. In this picture, this woman is wearing kameez and dupatta. This is her kameez and this is dupatta. Your mother will surely wear this dress. Remember the name of dresses with the help of your parents. Now come to the exercise D. In this exercise, I will ask you questions about these things and you have to give the answer and tell me what are their colors. First, you have to look at the example. What is this? This is a kite. What color is this? It's purple. The kite's color is purple. Another question is, what is this? It is a... We have to fill in this blank. What should we write? What is this? It is a door. What color is it? Its color is... Now children, tell me, what color is this? Its color is blue. So what is this? This is a house. What color is this? This is white. What is this? This is a tree. What is color? This color is green. This color is green. What is this? This is a book. Its color is red. This is a red color. What is this? This is a ball. What color is this? Its color is yellow. Dear children, now you learned about Fiza's family and different colors and much more. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Dear students, it is your homework to complete exercise A and B like I have given instructions to you. So do your homework carefully